Q8377. What will be the ratio between airspeed and lift if the angle of attack and other factors remain constant and airspeed is doubled? Lift will be A. The same. B. 2 times greater. C. 4 times greater. The correct answer is C. The relationship between lift and airplane velocity is that of the square. For instance, a plane flying at 200 knots has 4 times the lift of a plane flying at 100 knots, if the direction of assault and other variables stay the same. Q8378. What true airspeed and angle of attack should be used to generate the same amount of lift as altitude is increased? A. The same true airspeed and angle of attack. B. A higher true airspeed for any given angle of attack. C. A lower true airspeed and higher angle of attack. The correct answer is B. If the density component is reduced, one of the other factors must be increased since the total thrust must match the total weight in order to maintain flight. The airspeed or angle of attack are typically increasing considerations because the pilot can control them, if the direction of assault and other variables stay the same. Q8348. What affects indicated stall speed? A. Weight, load factor, and power. B. Load factor, angle of attack, and power. C. Angle of attack, weight, and air density. The correct answer is A. Weight, load factor, and power. Indicated stall speed is affected by several factors, including weight, load factor, and power. Weight. Heavier aircraft will generally have a higher indicated stall speed compared to lighter aircraft. This is because the increased weight increases the wing loading, requiring a higher airspeed to generate enough lift to avoid stalling. Load factor. The load factor, which is the ratio of the lift force to the aircraft's weight, affects the indicated stall speed. Higher load factors increase the stall speed, as more lift is required to counteract the increased load. Power. Power settings can also affect the indicated stall speed. For example, a higher power setting may result in a higher indicated stall speed due to increased lift and drag forces. So, all three factors, weight, load factor, and power, affect the indicated stall speed of an aircraft. Q8346. What is the effect on total drag of an aircraft if the airspeed decreases in level flight below that speed for maximum L/D? A. Drag increases because of increased induced drag. B. Drag increases because of increased parasite drag. C. Drag decreases because of lower induced drag. The correct answer is A. Note in the following figure that the airspeed at which minimum drag occurs is the same airspeed at which the maximum lift/drag ratio, L/D, takes place. At speeds below maximum L/D, any decrease in airspeed will result in an increase in total drag due to the increase in induced drag. 9942. How does the stall speed, KCAS, vary as you climb from sea level to 33,000 feet? A. It varies directly with a change in altitude. B. It remains relatively unchanged throughout the climb. C. It varies indirectly with a change in altitude. The correct answer is B. The indicated airspeed, or calibrated airspeed, at which an aircraft stalls can be considered constant, but the true airspeed at which it stalls increases with altitude because of the lower air density.